Just to be clear, with regard to this little project, I only use a 1 MW laser diode. It's the weakest one you can get. It is still hot enough to blind you, but it works. I'm not going to show the full video on YouTube simply because it would get shut down instantly. But yeah, the next thing I'm going to be doing is getting wood to carve out a piece and then get 100 MW laser diodes and put 4 of them onto a single piece. And that way when I get these lovely things, which I have mentioned do not blow up as soon as you look at them, which is what you get a lot of the usual suspects saying, "Buy American!" It's got a circuit breaker in there, it's got a surge protector in there, so it's not going to blow up. You can get these as 12 volt. So what I'm going to be doing is going to get 3 12 volt rechargeable batteries, put them together in what would be a stock, but unfortunately YouTube, it's not going to go on YouTube. I will stick it on Rumble at some point.